In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the issue of getting an untitled or blank page in Google Chrome. This common issue can be quite frustrating, but I'm here to guide you through it with ease, ensuring you get back to browsing seamlessly. So let's dive right in and fix that blank page problem you're facing. First things first, you'll want to check if your Google Chrome is up to date. Keeping your browser updated is crucial as updates often fix bugs and enhance performance. To do this, open Google Chrome and look for the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. Click on them and head to Settings. From there, navigate to About Chrome. This section will automatically check for any updates and install them if available. Once updated, restart your browser and see if that resolves the issue with the blank page. If updating Chrome didn't solve the problem, the next step is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, these can accumulate and cause glitches within the browser. Again, click on the three dots in the corner, but this time, go to More Tools and then Clear Browsing Data. You'll want to select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Set the time range to All Time for a comprehensive sweep, and then click on Clear Data. Once this is done, try reopening Chrome and check if the issue persists. Should clearing your cache not do the trick, you might want to disable your extensions. Extensions are incredibly helpful, but they can sometimes interfere with how the browser operates. To disable them, go back to the three-dot menu and select More Tools, then Extensions. You'll see a list of installed extensions. Toggle off the switch next to each extension to disable them. Refresh your browser and check if you're still encountering the problem. If the blank page issue is resolved, consider re-enabling your extensions one by one to see if a specific extension is causing the trouble. Sometimes the issue might be related to corrupted browser settings. In such cases, it might be best to reset your Chrome settings. Head back into Settings, then scroll down and click on Reset Settings under the Advanced menu. Choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. However, it won't erase your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. After doing this, restart Chrome and check if everything's running smoothly. If none of these solutions worked, there might be a deeper issue at play, potentially with your internet connection or system settings, and seeking further technical support might be necessary. Thank you for watching and following along. I hope this guide helped fix your Google Chrome issue, and you can now surf the web without facing that pesky untitled blank page. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Happy browsing!